What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 17.4, up 1.3 on the day, sitting a market cap of 330 billion. 24-hour volume 17.44 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up, grab up to 30K in bonuses. Once you make your first deposit, you can email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. All links and a tutorial for Bybit are in the description. Let's hop into Bitcoin. So we have a new pattern that I'm watching here. Potentially we've pushed up in a 1 and we've ABC'd into a 2. So if we can break this symmetrical triangle, price can really go either way right now. But if we can break this symmetrical triangle right here, that's when you can see that continuation to the upside and start to push up in the wave 3. What we could be looking at here if we open this up is that we've come up in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. Here's a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which would just be the wave 1 of the wave 3. You'd pull back, retest the triangle, and then see continuation. So it's all about this triangle if we can break out, because if we get rejected here, we roll over, we drop out of that triangle, that's when you can see the start of the continuation to the downside. But as of right now, the bulls have stepped in once again at 16.8, 16.9, where we've found support on multiple occasions right off the point of control. So we'll see if we can come up and break this triangle pattern. As we can see here on the daily, the RSI is starting to creep above the 50 line, which is a bullish sign. Can be a sign that you're going to push back up to the top for the RSI, and that's when you'll see that push back up to about 18.3K. Just a little bit of what can be considered as bullish consolidation for the price of Bitcoin. Little bull flag here. So if it does break out to the upside, then it can take you all the way up here to, right at 18.3K. So we'll see what happens. Definitely can go either way. Just wait for this pattern to break, in my opinion. We're watching for a potential triple top, but as you can see, we have bounced from that support. So it's all about breaking these highs. If we can break 17.2, 17.3, then we can see that continuation. But of course, we can just get rejected once again. So it all depends for the bulls to break 17.2 or 17.3, and for the bears to come down and break about 16.8K. The Dow Jones, little bit of push up right now. We do have that bearish divergence. We'll see what happens if we're going to see a push back up to test this yellow box, as we've been covering on the channel. Right now, potentially we could put in a head and shoulders. It all depends if we can come up and break that high for the Dow Jones. Same thing with the NDQ. We're just consolidating. Could even see a little bit of a triangle pattern here as well for the NDQ. Maybe a little bit of a descending triangle. So we'll see, it's starting to break that level of resistance here. As you can see, we kind of faked out to the upside. So same thing with the NDQ, potential head and shoulders. We'll have to see if it's able to break out and come up and break this high. Not too much movement, but the fact that the bulls have once again held 16.8 does give us a chance to break out of that pattern. So that's what I'll be watching for, to see if we can break out. We have CPI numbers coming out today. So if they're positive, I would expect you to see a pump in the market. And of course, if they're bearish, then we'd see a breakdown here. It looks like the expectation is about 7.3. So the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics will release November CPI calculation before the market opens on Tuesday. After October's 7.7% year-over-year increase was lower than the 8% expectation and down from September, November's consensus of 7.3 could be hard to beat and leave investors disappointed. So it appears that the census expectation from Trading Economics and a weekly email from Jeffries is for November CPI to come in at 7.3%. This would be 0.4% lower than October's and down 0.9% over 2 months. It would be the 5th month in a row of a lower year-over-year CPI reading, but still at a very high level. So it does look like if it does come in at the 7.3, it could be bullish for the markets, and then you could potentially see that breakout. We'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens when it is released. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to Bybit. Grab those 30K in bonuses. Make your first deposit. And you can email me your sign-up email. I will give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. Can help you along your trading journey. Quickly open it up here. So we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns. Let me open up the chart channel, talking all things crypto. Let's just let it load up here. As you can see, lots of chart analysis posted by members here. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my signals, only 10 bucks a month. Price of a Netflix subscription. You can sign up through the Patreon link. And I'll see you in the next video. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, much love. Take care.